Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install latest macOS Sonoma on your MacBook. No matter which types of MacBook you have, you can do same process and very easily install. And we will see what exactly look like in new macOS Sonoma. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. First of all, click here Launchpad and you need to click System Setting. And after that, look at this here, 26th of September they are released macOS Sonoma. The size of this OS is 6.45 gigabytes and all explanations are available here. What is new and which types of features we are receiving related on screen, widget, video conferencing, Safari, messages, gaming, keyboard, AirPod and so much more. Just simply click here, upgrade, agree. You need to put it here your password. So look at this here. First of all, we need to download the macOS Sonoma 14.0 and then after we are installing this OS 7.70 gigabytes capacity of macOS Sonoma. After that, we can see what exactly look like and what is new of the macOS Sonoma. So finally, I download and I install macOS Sonoma in my MacBook Pro 14-inch. So look at this here. Now the password location, username and password location is a change. Now comes in bottom side. If I press here my password, so finally I updated macOS Sonoma. So we can see here, if I put it here one of the mic, so mic sign is coming here. That one is a really new something. System users microphones I added here. Previous OS are not showing this feature here. The family menu, previous operating system are not showing update important information each family members. So you can add here the family member. Previous OS I am not able to find out this one. Some other graphical representation. Look at this here. Sri is updated, a huge different types of features here. That one is a really interesting, and desktop and duck and remaining features similar kind of same. After you install, you can very easily recognize those features. But yeah, of course, new features and new OS little fast compared to the old previous OS. This is a simple process to download and install macOS Sonoma. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.